Welcome to week 3 of our summer reading program with the Harnett County Public Library. My name is Miss Heather, and today is jungle animal themed. So we're going to be making some noise and enjoying some different sounds for wild animals in the jungle. Before we do that though, let's go ahead and do open close them. We're going to do it normal speed, fast and slow. Are you guys ready? Get those hands out. Okay. Open, close them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, close them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Okay, fast. Open, close them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, close them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Real slow this time. Open, close them, give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, close them, put them in your lap. Thank you. You guys are really good at this. So our first story for Crocodile Beat by Gail Jorgenson and Patricia Mullins. Down by the river, in the heat of the day, the crocodile sleeps and awaits his prey. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Ducks are quacking and splashing around. Quack, quack, quackity splash. Elephants' feet are thumping the ground. Boom, 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 boom. Can you boom your feet? Monkeys screech and chatter away. Chitter, chatter, chitter, chatter, chitter, chatter. Eek! While the bird swoops down to the river to play. Swish, 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 swish. Hey, said the lion, I'm the king, but I'd be proud to stay and sing. Roar, 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 roar. The bears are clapping and dancing around, and now they're making their own special sound. Grrr, growl, growl, growl. Wow, said the snake, what a din. Sounds like fun. Let me join in. Hiss, hiss. Hiss! Ducks and elephants, monkeys and birds, lions, snakes and bears, my oh my, dancing and playing and stomping their feet as they move to the rhythm of this jungle beat. Ah, said the croc, who wakes with a grin, looks like dinner is here again. Watch out, animals, mean croc's about. Careful, he'll eat you without a doubt. Here he comes with a glint in his eye. Snap! Oh dear. Bye-bye. Thank you for listening. This is a good time to stop and do a rhyme with a crocodile. If you should meet a crocodile, don't take a stick and poke him. That doesn't sound like a good idea. Ignore the welcome of his grin. Can you grin real big with your teeth showing? Be careful not to stroke him, for if he sleeps upon the Nile, he gets thinner and thinner. And whenever you meet a crocodile, he's looking for his dinner. Don't be the crocodile dinner. All right, our next book is called Splash by Flora McDonnell. Splash by Flora McDonnell. Hot, hot, hot. The elephants are hot. The tiger is hot. The rhinoceros is hot. Let's follow the baby down to the water. Lovely water. The water to drink. Water to squirt, squirt, squirt. Splash goes the mother elephant. Splosh goes the rhinoceros. Whoosh, sploosh goes the tiger. Splash, 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 splash. Now tiger is cool and happy. Now rhinoceros is cool and happy. Now mother elephant is cool and happy. What a happy, cool, clever little baby elephant. And our last story is my favorite for this set, although they're all very fun. It's called Quiet by Paul Bright, illustrated by Guy Parker Reese. Quiet by Paul Bright, illustrated by Guy Parker Reese. Deep, deep in the jungle, chimps were chattering, frogs were croaking, birds were screeching, and a million insects were humming and buzzing. What a lot of noise! My goodness, they look like they're having a lot of fun doing it, that's for sure. It was time for baby Leo to have his morning nap. He'll never go to sleep in all this din, said Ma Lion. Isn't there something you can do? Do, said Pa Lion. Do? I am the king of the beasts. Of course, there's something I can do. He stood up tall and puffed out his huge chest, and then he stood back and roared. Quiet! And baby Leo slept. Pa Lion whispered softly, but so clearly that all of the creatures could hear him. And if any of you makes a noise and wakes up Leo, I will eat you. All was quiet in the jungle, quiet as the morning mist, quiet as the opening of flowers, quiet as a baby sleeping. Look at all those guys. They're lined up ready and very, very quiet, a little trepidatious. That monkey is even hushing people. And the frogs, my goodness. Suddenly, cawing and crowing, squawking and squeaking, beaks pecking and claws scratching, two parrots were arguing in the bushes. Quiet, said Pa Lion, as loud as he dared. It's all right, said Ma Lion. He's still fast asleep. I can't eat the parrots then, said Pa Lion sulkily. No, my dear, said Ma Lion. You can't eat the parrots. Bother, said Pa Lion. I could do with a snack. All was quiet in the jungle, quiet as the trees growing towards the sky, quiet as the leaves reaching towards the light, quiet as a baby sleeping peacefully. Suddenly, chuckling and chortling, sniggering and snickering, the hyena was laughing like hyenas do, but nobody knew what was so funny. Quiet, said Pa Lion as loud as he dared. It's all right, said Pa Lion. Leo's still sleeping. I can't eat the hyenas then, said Pa Lion crossly. No, my dear, said Ma Lion. You can't eat the hyenas. Bother, said Pa Lion. I'm beginning to feel quite peckish. All was quiet in the jungle. Quiet as the calm after a storm. Quiet as the sunshine after rain. quiet as a baby, sleeping. Look at that silly hyena over there. Don't you wonder what joke he's laughing at? I sure do. And then, would you know it, suddenly, howling and hooting, screeching and chattering, swinging and swooping, a family of monkeys were leaping through the trees. Quiet, said Pa Lion as loud as he dared. It's all right, said Ma Lion. Leo's still asleep. I guess that means I can't eat the monkeys then, said Pa Lion grumpily. No, my dear, said Ma Lion. You can't eat the monkeys. Bother, said Pa Lion. I'm hungry now. Really, really, really hungry. And so he sulked a little bit. But thankfully, baby Leo is still asleep. It was the middle of the day, and the jungle was hot and humid. The animals sheltered in the shade of trees, drowsy and dozing. All was quiet in the jungle, quiet as the blazing sun, quiet as the shadows underneath the trees, quiet as a baby sleeping. Even the hyena is sleeping, and those silly little parrots that were fighting right there on that branch right in the front, and those monkeys, they're definitely taking a nap too. Oh yes, everyone is taking a nap. Oh, suddenly, splashing and squelching, hooing and eyeing, a hippopotamus was yawning in the cool, muddy shallows of the river. Quiet, said Pa Lion as loud as he dared. That's all right, said Ma Lion. Leo's still fast asleep. I can't eat the hippopotamus then, said Pa Lion despairingly. Sometimes, my dear, said Ma Lion, your eyes are bigger than your belly. No, you can't eat the hippopotamus. Bother, said Pa Lion. I'm not positive, but I think that hippopotamus is probably bigger than the lion. What do you think? And also, in the water, do lions like water? I know this is wicked, thought Pa Lion, rubbing his tummy, but I do wish someone would make a noise, more noise at least, and wake up baby Leo, just for a minute. But all was quiet in the jungle, quiet as the fish swimming in the river, quiet as a bird soaring in the sky, quiet as a baby sleeping. Look how relaxed everyone is, except for maybe Pa Lion. He doesn't look quite relaxed, does he? Poor guy, he's hungry. Have you ever been hungry? Suddenly, a rumbling and grumbling, a groaning and moaning, a gurgling and burbling, a noise like nothing ever heard before, loud as thunder, loud as banging drums, loud as a baby crying. Who has woken baby Leo, said Ma Lion. Find who it is, Pa, find them and eat them. Now. Uh-oh, he looks a little sheepish over there. A lion looking sheepish. It's me, said Pa Lion. It's my stomach rumbling. I'm so hungry. Well, thank you for joining me for the story time today. I am so glad that you were able to join us for our jungle story time. Join us next week as we continue our summer reading program for the daycares. We really do appreciate your participation, and if you have any questions or anything that you need, let me know. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.